This is how you play the bass part, the part that I was playing last time, on Season of Play. You're going to switch between the pattern and the vacation. To play the pattern, you're going to start with your left-hand bass line with 1 on low G, and then go ahead and place your other fingers on their neighbors. Notice I'm placing an F sharp because I am in G major. Your bass line is going to go G major, E minor, C major, D major. To fill out the rest of the chords, your right hand is going to play intervals, starting on a 4th below D. This is the D and the 4th below around middle C. Place your other fingers. So when left hand plays G major, right hand comes in with its 4th. When left hand goes to E minor, right hand switches to a 5th below D. That top note stays the same. When your left hand goes to C major, you keep that 5th in the right hand. And then when your left hand goes to D major, your right hand switches back to the 4th. Let's put that together without the pause. 1 and 2 and 3 and go and E minor, C major, D major. You can also try playing the bass line in octaves. 1 and 2 and 3 and go, and G major, E minor, C major, D major. And since it's supposed to be bright and playful, let's do that again, more up tempo. 1 take, 2 take, 3 take, go take. To play the vacation, your left hand is going to be playing octaves starting on low C and bass C. And it's going to play C major, move up a step to D major, move up a step to E minor, and then move back down a step, back to D major. To fill out the chords, the right hand is actually going to complete that bass line with chords, starting on C major in second inversion. That means instead of having the 1st, the 3rd, and the 5th of the scale in this order, we're going to put the 5th of the scale on the bottom. So we still have C, E, and G, but G is now on the bottom. So when left hand plays C major, right hand's also playing the C major chord. When left hand steps up to D major, so does the right hand. Notice D major is also in second inversion. You can tell because the outside interval is a 6th, just 1 larger than a 5th. with a fourth above that bottom note. And notice that I also have an F sharp because D major has an F sharp in its chord. And so we play those together. And then when we step up to E minor in the left, we also step up to E minor in the right. So we still have E, G, and B, but the fifth again is on the bottom. And then when we go back to D major, both hands step back down. Let's do the vacation again without the pauses. 1, 2, and 3, 4. D major, E minor, back to D major. You could also play the chords in a different inversion. If you're more comfortable, you could play them in root position. Or you could go to a completely different inversion, first inversion. Or maybe combine the two. Let's put that all together a little bit more up-tempo. 1, 2, and 3, 4. You can also do variations of the pattern by letting left hand take over the entire pattern. So instead of starting down here at low G, start up here at the G next to bass F, so that it can reach the right hand intervals. And what that does, it frees up right hand to offer a little melody. You might also play in different rhythms in the left hand bass line and add a note into the right hand. Instead of the fourth, throw a G in there, or throw an E in there, or do a combination.